Hi, my name's Robert Burton.
You must feel the force around you. Here, between you, me, the tree, the rock, everywhere, yes. Size matters not. Look at me. Judge me by my size, do you?
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
Oh, you cursed brat! Look what you've done! I'm melting! Melting! Who would have thought a good little girl like you could destroy my beautiful wickedness? Ooh!
Go ahead. Make my day.
Oh! One thing! I think I love you, but I want to know for sure!
I'm tired of pretending like I'm not bitching, a total freaking rock star from Mars.